My name is Aishi and I am studying in 11th standard. We all welcome you to 6th Science Expo of Saira Vidyalaya. Our project is about computer language programming. The programming language we use here is Python. Python is a versatile language.
At SS Chemistry of Class 7, I am here to explain the tic-tac-toe game. The tic-tac-toe game is a very simple game of two players. This is also known as noughts and crosses or X and O. One player plays with the X and the other player plays with the O. In this game, it consists of a board 3 into 3 grid.
Hello everyone, I'm Yes Kaushi, studying in 11th standard. I'm here to explain the rules of the game XO. This game is played with two variables X and O and with two players. The first player plays with X and the second player plays with O. So you can decide who goes with X and who goes with O. Only one player can play at a time. If any of the players have filled a square, then the other player or the same player cannot override that square. The player who succeeds in placing three respective marks of X or O in a horizontal, vertical or a diagonal row wins the game.